Hi guys, I would like to show you our bird feeder. Do you see it? I think you do. Let me come a little closer and bring this closer. Here it is. It's a sort of a cage, a metal cage, and inside there's food for birds. I think it's called Suet. I buy it at Walmart for less than $1. It's a mixture of fat and seeds. Do you see that? All those marks are from birds eating the food. So I have seen a lot of woodpeckers near the bird feeder. They love it. Also American robins and red cardinals, and also squirrels. Yeah, like it definitely attracts squirrels. I know that there are blue jays in the neighborhood, but for some reason they don't grace this bird feeder with their presence. But then I was told that blue jays are very, very bossy, so it might be a good thing that I don't see them. О, вон самец. Вон они. Красавцы. Кушают. Кушают. Смотрите, кушают. Ой, какие молодцы. Пусть у них будет много птенцов, правильно? Да. У кого оперение ярче, у самки или у самца? А как вы думаете, почему у самца ярче оперение? У них красный клюв, да?
Сейчас только появится.
Ой-ой. Белка. Белка. Squirrel. Скажите, squirrel is eating something.
Squirrel is eating something, and we have to chase it away.
Squirrel is eating.
Hey! They stop! Белка!
This bird feeder was a gift from a very good friend. You know who you are. Thank you so much. We really enjoyed looking at all the birds eating, and it's a really fun experience. Thank you so much, friend.